Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both tools and the device. Sign into Xcode with your Apple ID and confirm developer mode on the iPhone. This allows app deployment. Once done, plug the phone to your Mac with a cable and tap Trust when prompted. Make sure the device is unlocked. In Xcode, choose the physical iPhone as the run destination. This first run establishes a communication channel and creates a provisional profile, so go ahead and keep the phone awake while Xcode recognizes it. Next, configure signing and build settings so Xcode can install your app. Change the bundle identifier to something unique and pick your team. Automatic signing simplifies provisioning. Then select the iPhone scheme and confirm the deployment target is compatible with the device OS. Press Build. If code signing or entitlements fail, open signing and capabilities to correct the profile or enable required capabilities. Once the build succeeds, use Xcode's console and device logs to follow installations. Finally, run the app and verify behavior on the actual device. After Xcode installs, tap the app and allow permissions like camera or location when prompted. These grants are essential for runtime tests. Make sure to watch console logs in Xcode to step through crashes or missing entitlements. If you prefer freedom from a cable, enable Connect via network in devices and simulators and pair the phone. If anything goes wrong, restart both Xcode and the iPhone. Re-enable developer mode and reconnect the cable to force a fresh provisioning cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.